Right now, hackers are using artificial intelligence to craft malware, write phishing emails, and break into secure systems, all with just a prompt. They don't need to be elite coders anymore, because AI does it for them. And the worst part? This AI was trained to hack. Its name? HackerGPT. HackerGPT isn't a single program. It's a name black hats give to modified AI language models, stripped of safety filters, fine-tuned with exploit code, and used to automate cyber attacks. It's ChatGPT without rules. It writes ransomware. It creates backdoors. It knows how to bypass antivirus. And it never hesitates, because its only job is to help hackers win. Welcome to my channel, where we explore how the underground really works, so you can defend yourself. Let's dive in. These AI models don't come from official stores, they come from Telegram channels named WormGPT leaks and dark AI tools, dark web marketplaces like Dread and Empire Market, GitHub repos hosting jailbroken models with names like EvilGPT and Dark LLM, torrent sites where Llama, GPTJ, and Mistral weights are shared illegally, and they're run locally, on GPUs, laptops, even Raspberry Pis. No filters, no tracking. Here's what black hats use it for. Write ransomware loaders, rats, and keyloggers in Python, C# or Go. Craft phishing emails that sound exactly like your boss or your bank. Generate XSS, SQLI, and RCE payloads that evade WAF and IDS systems. Obfuscate code to bypass antivirus, even change it automatically with polymorphism. Create fake PayPal, Discord, or Apple login pages in seconds. Automate social engineering with real-time SMS email templates and fake identities. This isn't sci-fi. Some black hats have gone a step further and created their own tools powered by LLMs, WormGPT, based on GPTJ, used for phishing and malware generation. DarkBERT Sec, a model trained on exploit databases and CVE disclosures. Llama GPT chains combine LangChain and Burp Suite to suggest attack payloads. Auto-exploiter GPT scans a target, analyzes vulnerabilities, and generates working POCs. All fully automated, all written by AI. Let's be clear, HackerGPT helps black hats launch real-world high-impact attacks like business email compromise using perfect spear phishing, ransomware deployment with polymorphic loaders, two-factor authentication bypass using phishing and session token theft, Wi-Fi evil twin attacks automated via bash scripts, code injection via server-side template injection payloads written on the fly. In some cases, AI even helps clean logs and erase forensics evidence to avoid detection. AI isn't going away, so here's how to defend yourself. Use YubiKeys or hardware-based two-factor authentication, not SMS codes. Never trust email attachments or fake job offers, even if they sound perfect. Don't use weak or reused passwords. Use a password manager. Deploy AI-powered EDR tools, because only AI can fight AI at this speed. And learn the tools before they're used against you. Want to test yourself? Try using GPT ethically to simulate payloads in a lab. Train like the enemy, but never become one. HackerGPT proves one terrifying fact. You no longer need to be a genius to launch a cyber attack, you just need a prompt and a purpose. So ask yourself this, if black hats are using AI to break systems, are you using AI to defend them? Stay sharp, stay trained, stay unpredictable. Like, subscribe and share this with someone who thinks AI is just for homework help, because in the wrong hands, it's war.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.